We'll guide you through how to create ClickUp boards, a fantastic way to organize your projects and tasks visually. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the left sidebar and click on the space where you want to create your board. If you don't have a space yet, you can create one by clicking on the plus icon next to the Spaces section. Now that you're in the right space, look for the Add View button at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a list of different view options. Select Board from the list. This will create a new board view for you. You'll be prompted to give your board a name, so type in something that clearly represents the project or workflow you're organizing. Click Create to finalize the setup. Now you have a blank board with columns. By default, you'll see columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. But you can customize these by clicking on the column headers and renaming them to fit your workflow better. To add tasks to your board, you can either create new ones by clicking the plus icon in any column, or drag existing tasks from other views into your board. You can also move tasks between columns by simply clicking and dragging them to reflect their current status. If you need to adjust settings like adding custom fields or changing the board's appearance, click on the settings icon at the top right of the board view. There you can tweak various options to tailor the board to your needs. With your board set up, you can now enjoy a more visual and organized way to manage your tasks and projects in ClickUp. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.